In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom with OBS, specifically utilizing the virtual camera feature. This setup can enhance your video calls by allowing you to use OBS Studio's advanced features like custom overlays, backgrounds, and transitions directly in Zoom meetings. So let's get started and walk through the entire process together. First things first, make sure you have OBS Studio installed on your computer. Open OBS Studio and ensure your scenes and sources are set up as you desire. OBS Studio allows a great deal of flexibility, so feel free to customize your scene to match the look you're aiming for in your Zoom calls. Once your setup is ready, navigate to the Tools drop-down menu in OBS Studio. Here, you'll find the option that says Start Virtual Camera. Click on this. It's crucial that you start the virtual camera here. Otherwise, OBS won't appear in Zoom as a selectable option. Now let's move over to Zoom. Head to the Zoom application on your computer or visit the Zoom web client. You'll need to sign in to your account if you haven't done so already. So click on Sign In, and for simplicity, let's choose Google to log in easily. Select your Google account from the options provided, and you'll be directed to Zoom's home interface. Once you've accessed your Zoom account, you're ready to either create or join a meeting. This is where the OBS virtual camera comes into play. When you're in a meeting, look for the camera icon in the bottom left area of your screen. There's a tiny arrow next to the camera icon. Click on it. This will open up a menu displaying all available camera sources connected to your system. In this list, you should see OBS Virtual Camera as one of the options. Go ahead and select OBS Virtual Camera to set it as your primary video feed in your Zoom meeting. If you followed the steps correctly, your Zoom participants will now see the video feed directly from OBS Studio piped into the meeting. This setup can significantly improve your video call experience by providing more control over your on-screen presentation and allowing you to use OBS's powerful features. Don't forget to experiment with different scenes, transitions, and overlays in OBS to see what works best for your needs. And there you have it. You're all set to make the most out of your Zoom calls by integrating OBS Studio. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Happy Zooming with OBS.